Students, in this class we're going to discuss factorizing trinomials of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now see how to factorize the trinomials of the form here ax square plus bx plus c. So in our exercise, that is your 6G, see, from 1 to about 16 questions are here, so we have to factorize all these questions, and all these questions are of the form what your ax square plus bx plus c. Now see how to factorize. So students, see, this is our first question of our exercise 6G, and the question is here, you can see here 4x square plus 5x plus 1. Now which this question is of form what your, that is your ax square plus bx plus c form. Now see here, in place of a, what I have here 4, in place of b I have a 5 here, and in place of c, that is your 1. Now see how to factorize this type of questions. Okay, very simple. First of all, you have to multiply the coefficient of x square, that is your 4, and the constant term, that is your 1. Okay, then 4 into 1, that is your 4. Now we have to factorize this 4 in such a way that, okay, like earlier one, we need to get this middle term by adding or subtracting the factor of this 4. Okay, then see here, 4 into 1 gives me whatever 4. 4 is a factor of 4 and 1 is a factor of 4. Now see the middle term I need. Okay, now when I make the product of 4 and 1, it gives me the product of whatever, this your coefficient of x square and the first term. Now when I add these together, I'll get what your middle term. That means see 4 and 1 satisfies both the conditions, so we can consider this 4 and 1 as our what your factors. Then you can see here, so like earlier when I write 4x square as it is, then this 5x, now can I write 4 plus 1 I got from here, then this is your x, and the remaining part is same with our what your x square plus bx plus c form. Okay, it is with your same our this form. Then you can see here, this is your 4x square as it is, you write here, then 4 into x, that is your 4x plus 1 into x, that is your x, and then 1. Okay, then see, from these two can I take 4x as common, because 4x here as well here also. So from here 4x is taken out, then what will remain here, x, then plus from here 4x is taken out, that means 1 will remain here. And in our last class itself I have said that when there is no common factor, you should take 1 as a factor, then what will remain here, x plus 1. Now see, x plus 1, x plus 1, these two are matching, then you take x plus 1 as your common, then from here x plus 1 is taken out, so 4x will remain here. From here also x plus 1 is taken out, so plus 1 will remain here. So this is our answer to the first question, and we have learned how to solve the your question of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now you can see our, this is our third question, that is your 2x square plus 11x plus 12. Okay, so like earlier one, first of all we need to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. Now 2 into 12, it gives me how much, that is your 24. Okay, now I need to factorize this 24 in such a way that when I add the factor or the subtract, it must gives me how much, 11. Then you can see here, I'll factorize here 24, 2 divides 12, again 2 divides 6, again 2 divides 3. Now see what I need is your 11. Then see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3, that is your 24, which is the product of your coefficient of x square and the constant term. Now see here, this is satisfied. Now the second I will combine this your factors in such a way that by adding or subtracting I must get your 11. Then see 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, that is your 11. That means when I write 8 and 3, or if I consider 8 and 3, both the conditions are satisfied, because 8 into 3, that is your 24, and 24 is nothing but this is the product of this coefficient of x square and the your constant term. Okay, then you can see here, that is your 2x square plus, then from here can I write your 8 into 3, you see 8 into 3, that is your 24. Okay, 8 into 3 is 24, and 8 plus 3 is your how much, 11. This is your middle term. Then you write here 8 plus 3, and that is your x, and then your 12. Okay, then you see here, that is your 2x square plus 8 into x, that is your 8x plus 3 into x, that is your 3x and plus 12. Then from this 2, see 2, because I can take 2 common because 2 is here, and again 2 divides 8 and x square. In both the terms I have a x, so I can consider 2x as common. From here 2x is taken out, 2 is taken out. Okay, from x square 2 times of x was here, 1x is taken out, so 1 will remain here. Then your plus you write here. From here the x is taken out. Now 2 divides 8 how many times? 4 times. Okay, then you write plus here. In this term, okay, this is a constant term, there is no x, so I cannot take x as common. So but I know 3 divides 12, so I can take 3 as common. Then from here when 3 is taken out, so x will remain here. Now see, 3 divides 12 how many times? That is your 4 times. Then see, x plus 4, these two are matching. Okay, then you take x plus 4 common from there here, and so twice x will remain here, and plus, that is your plus. From here also x plus 4 is taken out, so plus 3 will remain. So this is our answer to the third question. You can see this is our fifth question, that is a 2x square minus 5x minus 12. So we know first of all what we have to do, we have to multiply this 2, and there is a coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 12 into 2, that is your 24. Now see, by multiplying you got 24. Now you need to factorize this 24 to make 5. Okay, then very simple here, I know this, your 3 divides 24 how many times? 8 times. Okay, you can divide it by 2 also, but I am not dividing. Then see here, 3 into 8, that is 24. Okay, 8 minus 3 how much? 5. That means see, this two factor satisfies both the condition. Now you can consider this 2. Then you write here, that is 2x square minus 8 minus 3 can I write, because 8 minus 3 is your 5. Then this x, then that is your minus 12. Then that is your 2x square minus 8 into x, that is your 8x, minus into minus, that is your plus, and 3 into x is your 3x, and your minus 12 as it is. Okay, then from this 2, can I take 2 common, because 2 is here and 2 divides 8, and in both the terms I have x, so I can take 2x common. Okay, then when from here 2 is taken out, and from x square x is taken out, okay, then what, x will remain here, minus. Then see here, 2 divides 8 how many times? 4 times. 1 x was here, it is already taken out, so no need to write. Then you see here also 3 divides 12, so I can take 3. I cannot take x because in this term there is no x, so you take this. From here 3 is taken out, x will remain here, then that is your minus. 3 divides 12 how many times? 4 times you write here. Now see, x minus 4, these two are matching. Then you write x minus 4. From here x minus 4 is taken out, so twice x will remain here, then that is your plus. From here also x minus 4 is taken out, so 3 will remain. So this is your x minus 4 into twice x plus 3. So this is our answer to the fifth question. Now see, this is our seventh question, that is your 13x square plus 37x minus 6. So we know first of all we need to multiply these two terms. Okay, then see, 13 into 6, 3 6 18, carry 1 6 1 6 plus 1 7. That is your product of coefficient of x square, and 6 is your 78. Now we know we need to factorize your 78 so that we can get 37. Then the unit place is your 8, so start we can dividing by 2. Now see, 2 3 is 6, 1 remains, then it is your 2 9s 18. Then see here, 2 into 39 78. Okay, now 39 minus 2, I am getting 37. That means no need to even divide anymore. That means these two, using these two factors we can solve this one. Then you can see here, that is your 13x square plus, now can I write 39 minus 2 x minus 6, because 39 minus 2, that is your 37. Then this is your x. Then you write 13x square, 39 into x, that is your 39x, then that is your minus 2x, and then your minus 6 as it is. Okay, then see, from these two See, 13 divides 39. So can I take 13 as common? Then x square x, you take x. From here 13 is taken out. Okay, from x square 2 times, okay, x was here, 1 is taken out, so only 1x will remain, because 13 no need to write, because 13 is already taken out here. Then see, your 13 divides 39 how many times? 3 times. 1x was here, it is already taken out, now no need to write. See, from here you can take 2 common only, because with 6 there is no x, so you take 2 as common, then x will remain here. Then see here, what to write here, minus or plus? See, I have explained these things, so I must write what your plus here, minus into plus, it will give me minus. Okay, then 2 divides 6, that is your 3 times. Now x plus 3, these two are matching. Now you take x plus 3 as your common, then here you can see that is your 13x, and from here also x plus 3 is taken out, so minus 2 will remain here, minus 2 will remain. So this is our answer to the 7th number question. Then 9th number question, that is your 4z square, this is not 42, okay, 4z square minus 16z plus 15. So we know, first of all we need to multiply this coefficient and the constant term. Now 4 into 15, that is your 60. Okay, now we know we need to factorize this 60 in such a way that we can get 16 here. Okay, then you can see here 2 divides how many times, that is your 30 times. Then you see 2 divides again 15 times, and again 3 divides 5 times. Okay, now see what I need, 16 here. Then see 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now see 6 into 10, this is your how much, 60. Now 6 plus 10, that is your 16. Now see, these two factors 6 and 10 satisfies both the conditions, so can I consider 6 and 10? Definitely. Then you see here, then this is your 4z square minus 10 plus 6, then this is your z plus 15. Okay, then you can see here that is your 4z square minus 10 into z, that is your 10z, minus into plus, that is your minus, and 6 into z, that is your 6z, and your plus 15 as it is here. Okay, then from these two, see 4 do not divides 10, but 2 divides 4 as well as 10, so can I take 2 as common, and in both the terms I have a z, so I can consider z also. Now see 2 divides 4 2 times, z square was here, z is taken out, that means 1z will remain here. Then minus 2 divides 10 how many times, that is your 5 times, 1z was here, it is already taken out, so no need to write. Then see here 3 divides 6 as well as 15, so 3 take as common. Then 3 divides 6 2 times, and this is your z. Then what should I write here? If I write plus here, then minus into plus, it will give me minus, but what I have here, plus, so to satisfy I must write minus. Then see minus into minus, this is your plus 15. Okay, then see 3 divides 15 how many times, that is your 5 times, 2z minus 5, 2z minus 5, these two are common now. Then from here you take 2z minus 5 is your common. Then from here 1 2z 5 minus 5 is taken out, then 2z will remain here, then minus 2z minus 5 is taken out, so minus 3 will remain. So this is our answer to the 9th number question. Now see, this is 11th number question, that is your 1 minus t minus 6t square. Okay, so just small changes here. Okay, this t square is written as a third term and constant term is written as a first term. Okay, but it's not a problem, we can solve very easy way. Then you can see here, first of all we know we need to multiply the constant term and the coefficient of t square. 6 into 1, that is your 6. Okay, now I need to arrange in such a way that 6 to make, see nothing means actually this is your 1t. Okay, so I need to make 1. Then see 2 into 3, that is your 6, 3 minus 2, that is your 1. That means both the conditions are satisfied by 2 and 3. So then you write 1 minus 3 minus 2, then this is your t, then that is your 6t square. Then 1 minus 3 into t, that is your 3t, minus into minus plus, that is your then 2t minus 6t square. Okay, then From these two, see nothing is common, that means you can take 1. Then what will remain here? 1 minus 3t. Then from here, see 2 divides 6 also, so can I take 2 as common? T square, there you take t. Then from here 2t is taken out, then what will remain here? 1. Okay. Then you can see here 1 is remain, no? 2 divides 6 how many times? 3 times. Then t square was here, t is taken out, so 3t will remain here. Then you can see here 1 minus 3t, and from here 1 plus 2t will remain here. So this is our answer to the 11th number question.